check this out. Headed to the wheel shop because the wheels is finally ready, man. So I got a message saying, hey, they should be in next week. And then got a message again today. It was like, hey, your wheels at the shop. So I'm taking these tire pressure sensors over to them, get our first little peek at them, and I guess they'll end up mounting them, and they'll probably be ready next week. So yeah, man, pretty excited, ready to see what these things look like, and yeah, it's go time. So unfortunately, it's winter. No events really coming up. I am going to a car show tomorrow, but you know, we're going to 24x14s, so it is what it is. I got to get ready to sell basically everything in my garage is just sitting. I would have already worked on that, but I'm in a rental because a deer decided to jump out in front of the Lexus a couple days ago, and so I got to get that fixed. Just waiting on insurance. They are terrible at this point. But yeah, about to drop these tire pressure sensors off, get a look at the wheels. Hopefully they better be 5 lug. If it's 6 lugs, we got a major issue. I got a Ram, so 5 by 5.5. But yeah, I'm about to pull up. I'll be there in 6 minutes. So we're right here at it, but we got to make a U-turn to get to the shop. So yeah, man, let's see what these wheels looking like. Okay. Ooh-wee. Man. You see that in your wheel? That's a 37. Yeah. Ain't that wheel huge? It's 7, but I'm at the level to go to 9. So just body left. Yes, sir. So as y'all can see, the wheels and tires came in together, and yeah, it's time to do some work on my truck now, and we get these things mounted, man. I don't know if I'm gonna I don't know when I'm gonna mount these wheels because it's cold now. I'm probably gonna go ahead and do the level. Let's see, I need to do the level, get my alignment and all that stuff. I might not mount these things the next year. We'll see. It depends on how quick my 544 sells. So, if you're looking for some 544 TIS, 24x14 tires, like maybe 40%. I always rotated them. Yeah, hit me up. But anyway, let's get on back to the crib, and we're gonna find something to get into. Peace out. Yo, it's pickup day. So we're going to get the wheels. They ready. It actually was ready on Saturday, but I had went to a car show. No rush for me. But yeah, man, me and my son together. We're going to pick up the wheels. But first, I gotta get some gas, and then hopefully I got my new sensors in these 4. So hopefully all 4 sensors will read and get my last light off the dash. But yeah, man. I was trying to beat Charlotte traffic, but I couldn't get off working time. So yeah, we probably got about an hour ride and probably about an hour and some change back. But yeah, man, I got the trailer on the back. I don't feel like picking these wheels up, putting them all on the bed. So we try to lay a couple on the trailer, put maybe 1 in the bed. But anyway, off the QT, let's gas up and I'll go get these wheels. Yo, everybody always be asking me about this freaking head unit. Like, bro, I got an older one. I think the newer one's got a lot of flaws, according to the comments. But look, my Android Auto, I have a S22 Ultra. I got a USB-C cable. And I also have the adapter right here. So it's USB-C into an adapter into the little OTG port. All I do is take this, plug it in. So now you see it's plugged in. I come here, click this button, and watch. phone just switched and connected. There we go. She's ready to rock. That's all it is to it. Anyway, let's get on to this front shop. What you doing?
Playing my phone.
You just waking up?
Yeah.
You about to get Daddy Wheels?
Yeah.
What's up, man? I'm good.
Not that working.
About to say, how heavy is it?
It's heavy.
Yeah, she heavy.
Yeah. See, you ain't do it right. You gotta use that knee, man. You gotta use that knee to kick it. So go all the way first. You still building them door panels?
Nah,
See, that's how what happened to me, man. I was get bored, man.
For the money I was charging, people did too much work.
Very
Too
old.
much work for what I was charging for. So I said, man,
Oh, you lay it down.
yeah, you lay down. You lay that.
Huh?
Not that good.
Other way.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, I stopped doing that.
Okay, web.
All right, we all mounted up. Got cardboard boxes, 2 wheels strapped down. I keep a close eye on them. Yeah, man. Run top of Charlotte. Always get your boy right. So we about to get up out of here. Just pulled over real quick to put the tarp over these. Make sure they ain't sliding nowhere. They good. Those cardboard is across the wheel. So hopefully they're protected from scratches. So let's go home. Of course the GoPro will be dead, but all I'm trying to do is get these things off the truck. It's raining out here. So let's get these things off the truck. Alright. Whew. Boy, ain't no way that took 8 minutes. There we go, man. There we go. They're definitely big. Stop playing, man. 28s. My boy Lucky said, stop playing them crackhead ass games. Y'all see it. So yeah, we're gonna get these things mounted probably next week. Waiting on my ball joints to come in. We're gonna change the ball joints, add the level, and then now we in there. Peace out.